YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special. I think it's an Amazon unboxing, but if it's a normal unboxing, I'll leave their website, and if it's an Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link. You guys can click on it, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day, everybody is safe. Alright guys, let's see what's inside. We got Prime Day sales going on. And what is this? DG Direct bracket for doorbell. What kind of doorbell? Holy moly. Alright, we got a user guide. Looks pretty simple. Put the doorbell in the shell. Pad sponges on both sides of the doorbell. Pad sponges on the side of the doorbell. Tighten the screws and done. That's what it looks like when it's done. So it's extra security so people won't steal your video doorbells. Especially like in apartments. This would be a good security thing to have. Homes too, if it's a populated area. You might want to protect your camera. DG Direct. So you got these guys. You get the little screwdriver. Here are the sponges that you're going to need. There's like different ones. Like a lot of them. And then we got more. Oops. More here. More here. And another one. Here's the main thing, it looks like. See, I have my door bells different. This thing is huge. It sounds like this. This goes like in the door. And this goes like, yeah, you gotta line it up with the holes. It goes like this. There we go. Like this way. You pop it in the door. And you'll have it nice and secured. I think it's for ring doorbells. Let me double check. Doesn't really say on the instructions. Combination. Yeah. DG Direct Anti-Theft Doorbell. So I guess for any that you can see this size. So this is the front, which I like, without using this. But we're gonna need this because of the holes that you gotta cover up, like so. There we go. So then we take these. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna have to get my doorbell. Let's see which one it fits. Oh boy. There's the mini screws, so be careful. See these tiny little screws? That's for those holes right there. And, oh geez, I lost one. Figures. But they gave you enough for extra just in case. I'm going to have to look for that one later. That one's gone. Shoot. Well, yeah, they're tiny screws. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. They give you 6, so that's good. So you just take this, unscrew this for a second, and then pretty much it locks it in. I give it a little twirl. See, it's coming out of the side. That's how that works. And then cap it up. Kind of like that. Frame. Oh boy, this should be interesting. I gotta figure out a few things. Then you put one of these stuffers in the bottom so your doorbell won't move. Put one right here. And you put one right here. See, like so. Just a little cushion for your doorbell. Make it more secured. Put it in there. Put this one on top so I can hold it together. There we go. See, got that completed. Bling bling. Alright, now it's time to get the doorbell. We'll be back. Alright guys, we got in the camera I brought in. And then fits in perfect. Like so. Maybe we'll add a couple more. A couple more of these. A couple more of these. So I can hold it spot. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Now you can't tell if it's a white version or, you know. So it's all good with that one. And now I'm going to leave this on this side. I think it'll be easier to screw it in. Or maybe not. Just line it up. There we go. Line it up like so. Now we could make sure you guys are in the camera. There we go. Screwdriver comes with. I just gotta remember to grab that other screw that fell off somewhere on the ground. Like I said, it only needs 4. And you're good to go. But definitely a pretty cool device. I'm gonna need one to get for my Ring doorbell. Because I got a Ring video doorbell and I just got this one for my side door. So get a couple cameras going at once. So I'm gonna need one to get for my Ring. I'm sure a Ring will fit perfectly because that's the same size as a Ring video doorbell. So I think this is like a universal thing. Oh, almost lost another one. But pretty easy peasy so far. Yeah, easy to set up though. Here we go. So you got the 4 screws. 1, 2, one more. I got it. You'll have extra 2. But like I said, I lost one of them, so I have one left over. But you can find these anywhere. The screws. Even on Amazon, you can order the screws. There we go. That's nice and secured. Bada boom. Bada bang. See, doorbell is lit. for sure. It looked nice too once I put it in the door. I just gotta go back to the garage and then put this in. So, but before I go, we'll be right back. Alright guys, I got inside my garage. Don't mind that paint job, gotta fix that up. Look at this, you didn't need no drilling or nothing. Slides right in, you just gotta twist it to adjust, and then right here. Look at that. Everything works. See? I just let it fly in. Great. Hate flies. So there you have it. DG Direct. Get them now before they sell out. Great idea to get a couple. Be safe. Take it easy.